Our Financial Markets Trading Masterclass course is the most experienced and comprehensive trading course online. You'll learn every facet of trading, from analyzing the markets and trading the technicals, to trading the macro fundamental releases, and being able to apply advanced institutional bank trading strategies. And we know exactly what you need to become a successful trader. And that's why we include 3 months access to Metastock, our 4 proprietary trade execution tools, and access to our trading community via our Discord channel. Now, getting access to the course is just the beginning. It will provide the foundation knowledge to get you started trading and making money as soon as possible. But it's really our engaging trader support program that distinguishes us from all other trading education firms. It includes daily market updates, access to premium data and analysis. You'll get access to our live trading sessions where you're going to learn firsthand how to execute the live macroeconomic releases alongside me. We have live training sessions so we can further upskill your knowledge from the educational content on the course and really focus in on what's happening in the market, because certain trade setups may require a little bit of extra tuition. You'll also get access to our live trade signals, the short-term, long-term, and macroeconomic signals, highlighting the best trading opportunities and nailing the timing of those trading opportunities. Following our trade signals is a great way to build confidence in your own ability to identify trading opportunities and at the same time, make money out of opportunities that you may not otherwise see yourself. And we also have one-on-one mentoring available for traders who are serious about their trading. That comes with the 12-month support package. And last but not least, you'll have access to our support team 24/5, so you'll never get left behind. From the moment you sign up, you'll be engaged in our trading community, our weekly live training and trading sessions, whilst tracking our live trade signals. You're going to build knowledge, confidence, and most of all, you'll be making money sooner than later. If you have any questions, click on the link and we'll organize a quick 15-minute meeting. Either myself or one of our team will answer your questions so you can make the best decision possible. If you're seriously looking to make money trading the markets, well, the Masterclass course is where you need to be. Good luck and happy trading.